Welcome to Family Guidelines. Today's topic is how to get rid of dark circles. How to get rid of dark circles at home overnight. Dark circles are mostly the old age problem when the skin starts to lose its elasticity and collagen. But nowadays, we can see even the younger generation facing this problem. Dark patches under the eyes may look purple or blue, dark brown or black depending on the color of skin. Dark circles are rarely a cause for concern, but many people wish to reduce their appearance for cosmetic reasons. We have brought to you some of the amazing and effective home remedies to get rid of dark circles under the eye fastly. Make sure you choose any one of the remedies and use it at least for a month. Number 1. Massage with oil. Massaging with oil gets rid of puffiness and improves blood circulation, which helps in removing the dark circles. You can massage with the following oils. Grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is filled with bioactive compounds. It reduces pigmentation and dark circles. Method: 2 to 3 drops of grapeseed oil and gently massage around the eyes. Leave it overnight and wash it off in the morning. Number 2. Rosehip oil. Rosehip oil is enriched with proanthocyanidins that exhibit anti-melanogenic properties. It is highly pigmented and helps in reducing the dark circles. Method: take a few drops of rosehip oil, dilute it with coconut oil, and apply it to the dark circles with a cotton pad. Number 3. Sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil has emollient properties. It helps to improve the skin color by reducing the appearance of blood vessels underneath the skin. Method: take cotton and dab it with 2 to 3 drops of almond oil. Apply it to the dark circles and massage it into your skin. You can leave it overnight or can wash it before going to sleep. Number 4. Aloe vera gel. This miraculous gel is very effective for removing the dark circles. Aloe vera gel is filled with aloe. This helps in preventing the pigmentation. It hydrates the area around the eye and makes it soft and supple. Method: take 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel and massage the area around the eye with it. Leave it overnight and wash it in the morning. Number 5. Cucumber. Cucumber is filled with water content and bioactive compounds. This helps in removing the dark patches under the eye. Method: take 1 cucumber and 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Mix them to make a paste. Apply the paste around the eye. Leave it for 15 minutes. Wash it off with lukewarm water. Number 6. Tomato. Tomato is very effective for removing acne and dark circles. The small particles in the tomato are absorbed by the skin and enhance the skin from inside. Tomatoes are also rich in beta-carotene, which oxidates the damaged skin. Method: take 1 tomato and lemon juice, blend them to get the paste, apply the paste around the eye, leave it for 10 minutes, wash it off with lukewarm water. 7. Lemon juice. Lemon is a rich source of vitamin C. It helps to increase the dermal thickness under the eye. It lightens the skin color and is also rich in antioxidants. Method: extract the fresh lemon juice, dab the cotton in it, apply it to the dark circles, leave it for 15 minutes, wash it off with lukewarm water. Number 8. Cold milk. Milk is rich in alpha hydroxy acid and lactic acid. Alpha hydroxy acts as an exfoliant and removes the wrinkles, cleans the pores, and restores skin elasticity. Method: soak the cotton in the cold milk, place it on the eye, leave it for 10 minutes, Remove the cotton. Number 9. Potatoes. Potatoes contain azelaic acid. It helps in reducing the pigmentation and also lighten the dark patches under the eye. Method. Extract 1 to 2 tablespoons of potato juice. Apply the juice around the eye. Leave it until it dries. Rinse it off with water. Number 10. Rose water. We all know and have also experienced that rose water makes our skin lighten, brighten, soft and smooth. Rose water acts as an anti-inflammatory. It restores the vibrancy and eliminates the redness. Method. Soak the cotton in the rose water and keep it on the eye for 10 to 15 minutes. You will feel refreshed and your eye will feel cool. Number 11. Orange juice. As tasty and nutritious orange juice is, it is also helpful for our skin. Rich in vitamin C, it helps to fade the dark circles and lighten the skin color. Method. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons of orange juice. Dab the cotton in it. Rub the cotton ball around the eye in the morning and evening. Do not let the orange juice contact directly to the eye. Number 12. Turmeric. Turmeric has lots of benefits. It has antifungal and antimicrobial property, makes it best for lightening and brightening of the skin. It is very effective in removing the dark circles and lightening the skin tone. Method. Take 2 tablespoons of turmeric. Mix it with 1 tablespoon of yogurt and few drops of lemon. Apply the paste on the dark circles. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse it off with lukewarm water. Number 13. Honey remove dark circles. Honey is rich in moisturizing the skin and helps to reduce pigmentation and dark circles. Method. Mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice with 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply the paste on the affected area. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse it with lukewarm water. Number 14. Yogurt. Yogurt is filled with tyrosinase activity, which helps to reduce the pigmentation and dark circles. Method. Take 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Mix it with few drops of lemon juice. Mix well and apply the paste to the area. Leave it for 15 minutes. Wash it off with lukewarm water. Natural ways to getting rid of dark circles. Other than using home remedies for dark circles, you also need to follow some tips so that you stay healthy. Have a proper uninterrupted sleep of 8 hours. Get adequate rest if you are into high workouts. Keep yourself hydrated. This is very necessary in order to flush out toxins from the body. Have a nutritious diet. Eat dark chocolate. It is rich in nutrients like fiber, iron, magnesium, and contains plenty of antioxidants. Avoid excess salt in your food. Do not drink too much of alcohol. Proper exercise and meditation. Apply moisturizer twice a day. Remove makeup properly. Eat more salmon as it is rich in omega-3. Elevate your head while sleeping. Sleep on your back and use an extra pillow. Slip silk pillowcase. Eye massager. Eye massagers are great to reduce the puffiness and fine lines from around the eye. You can try Vent Eye Energizer with hot and cold therapy. So these are the ways in which you can get rid of dark circles. Removing dark circles is not a very big task. By using home remedies and proper products, you can get rid of dark under eyes. Make sure to use the home remedies at least for a month. Make sure to use the home remedies at least for a month. Do let us know in the comments which home remedy are you going to try. which are most valuable for you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.